Welcome to Fit and Free with me, Aunt Angel, aka ZGALA, aka Super Clown. I've been clowning around lately and I'm feeling a little bit sore from it. Snowboarding season started, that's what all that means. And so it's a good time to check in with my body and invite you to join me to whatever degree feels good in your body. I like to remind everyone there's not one way to do anything, especially checking in with your body, learning to love yourself. And so first and foremost, listen to yourself, don't hurt yourself, explore, have fun. And you're welcome to follow along to whatever degree you like. I'm gonna start with just rooting myself into the center of the earth a little bit, checking in with my sits bones as much as I can. I'm up on some pillows here for mostly for aesthetic reasons, well, and also because my butt. It's a little chilly here in the Head Hutt, which is what you see behind me. A fantastic, one-of-a-kind, unique building I built with these hands out of largely recycled materials, including all the glass you see behind me. And I wrote a book about it and published it on Amazon. In case you're curious, you can find a link to that down there. All that out of the way, let's do some arm stretches. Not only did I go snowboarding yesterday, but then I went to a concert, Queens of the Stone Age. I hadn't been to a concert in Albuquerque in a very long time, and I had never been to this particular venue, and there was a lot of good, bad, and ugly, as there is with everything. I'm glad I went, though. It was very, very cool to see Queens of the Stone Age. There's just so much talent in that group. I'm just stretching out the arms, yakking at you. I'll stop yakking. The point of all that was just that I'm stiff from all that dancing. I was one of the few people dancing in the whole place, I think, because it was a kind of a weird venue, a big square box, as a lot of things are these days. I'm getting off the pillows there. Let's do a little spinal twisting, taking the left hand over to the right knee and the right hand behind the body and just twisting through the torso, looking behind the body, all the way, giving everybody a hug, squeezing those organs a little bit, checking in with the spine and the shoulders and the neck and the eyes, and then unwinding from the top to the bottom, coming back to forward and just shaking that out. I'm wearing my weird sweater. I like the sweater, but I haven't really figured out how it operates yet. Let's try that. I don't think that's right. Anyway, right hand to left knee, left hand behind the body, and twisting from the bottom to the top, all the way through the spine, through the shoulders, through the eyes, looking behind the body, giving it all the organs a nice wringing out, a nice hug from the inside, checking in. How's everybody doing? Oh, I got a little bit of going on. It's all right. Unwinding from the top to the bottom, coming back to forward. Let's come back and shake it out. It's a good time to remind you, you don't have to wear any special outfit. Some are better than others, but the thing is, don't let anything be an excuse for not checking in with your body. I'm talking to you, and I'm talking to me. Let's do some more with the arms. Feeling pretty stiff there, so I'm gonna do some let's do small, medium, and large circles. That's one of the formats I like to use. There are many simple formats like that just to help give a framework to do some stuff. So here's some small circles. Let's put hands on shoulders and do medium shoulders with those elbows. Just checking in with everybody. You could do it faster or slower. Get the breath into it. Let's do a little more of that this round. Exhaling on the way down. Getting into that stretch a little more. releasing all that. Let's do some basic shoulder shrugs. I'm gonna inhale on the way up. I got a t-shirt under here, you might have noticed. I'm not sure any of this is getting better. I think it's getting worse by the moment. Let's breathe it in and tensing everything up. Pulling up in the pelvic floor. Pushing out in the belly if you can. A little bit more, holding, and then encourage you to just explore a sigh. Just let it go. See how it comes out. And shake it out. Let's do that a couple more times. Breathing in. Lifting the shoulders, lifting the pelvic floor. Maybe lifting the fingers and toes or crunching everything up. Breathing in a little bit more. And then just letting that go, exploring another sigh, see how it comes out. I'm not doing any pre-planning, you might have noticed. And one more. Breath in, breathing in and tensing up. Glasses are trying to go. Tensing up some more, breathing in a little bit more, and then just letting it go. That little move right there, just even one of those, but 3 if you can stand yourself. If you dare. Do 3 sighs if you want to just reset your whole system, your whole mood. I forget. I teach this stuff and I still forget often, which is kind of amazing to me. Anyway, I'm only sharing that to let you know you're not alone if you're not perfect. I'm pretty sure none of us is perfect, but do the best you can with what you have from where you are. That's good stuff right there. Let's do some more, little bit of stretching. I'm gonna just shake those around and then relax them. I'm gonna check in with the alignment, bringing the shoulders down, ears over shoulders, bringing the neck back a little bit, and then I'm gonna do some neck stretches. So bringing the neck down, or stretching the back of the neck by bringing the chin down toward the chest, just gently, not wrenching anything, and then gently the other direction, lifting the chin toward the sky, not crunching back so much, but just making long through the front, and then now long through the back. And long in the front. And long in the back. And coming back to center, I'm going to bring the right ear to right shoulder, but dropping that shoulder, dropping both shoulders really, and focusing on going long on the opposite side. Sometimes I like to add that touch, really helps just remind the body to relax, stretch. I'm going to add a little bit of variety, bringing chin to shoulder and ear to shoulder on this opposite side. Back and forth a little bit while I stretch and relax this opposite side. Long on the left. Give that a little rub, a little squeeze in the trap if that feels good, which it does to me. Again, the point is just relaxing, letting go of some stress. Let's come back to center and do the other side. Bringing things in alignment, and then gently tipping the left ear toward left shoulder, making long on the right side, and then alternating chin and ear, noticing how the two sides are different. It's very often they are. Mine certainly are. There's lots of reasons for that, from the way we're drawn and put together, from to the way what we did yesterday or what we're thinking about today. All those things add up to the variety of our lives, the details about the way our bodies are holding or letting go. So I encourage you to just listen to your own body, notice and invite more relaxation, more letting go, more coherence, more stretch, more long on the opposite side. Just letting that go a little bit. I've been holding a lot of tension there. And then coming back to center. Let's shake that out a little bit. That felt good to me. I think I'm going to keep that nice and short and sweet. And thank you for stopping by. I like to remind you and me and everybody, it doesn't have to take a long time to check in with your body, let go of some stress. There's more stress coming. You don't have to hang on to yesterday's stress. There's plenty more where that came from. The trick is to keep yourself coherent and flexible and adaptable and joyful and in a coherent state so that you can handle the stresses as they arrive. They're going to come and go. There you have some unsolicited advice to go with your daily stretching and stress release. I do thank you for stopping by.